How to turn on Face ID for App Store. So if you are trying to make a purchase on App Store or you are trying to download an application, then the App Store fails to request your Face ID or passcode, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily turn on Face ID for App Store on any iPhone. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on Face ID for App Store, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once open the settings app, scroll down, just scroll down the page until you get to Face ID and passcode and click on it. Type in your iPhone passcode to open the Face ID and passcode page. On the Face ID and passcode page, locate iTunes and App Store under Use Face ID 4 and turn this on. Then once that is turned on, then you should see that says sign in to your Apple account. Then go ahead and type in your Apple account. Once you type in your Apple account, just go ahead and click on the OK button and hang on. Then you should see iTunes and App Store enabled. Then you can now exit the Face ID and passcode page. Now, when next you want to download any app on your iPhone, so just open the App Store app on your iPhone, or if the App Store was opened, close it. Then open it newly. Now search for the application you want to download on your iPhone. Click on Get on it. Then hang on while the application is trying to download. Then you should see Confirm with side button. Press your side button. Double click. Then tap Install. Then you see that says Sign in to Apple account. So you want to sign into your Apple account, and after signing to your Apple account, you also need to confirm your Face ID. So that is basically how to turn on Face ID for App Store. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.